Baseball talk. Today we'll talk baseball with Jack Morris. It had been 16 years since a Tiger pitcher had thrown a no-hitter. The date was April 7th, 1984, and Jack Morris had not allowed a hit through 5 innings.
About the 6th inning, I looked up and realized I had a no-hitter going. I don't remember ever getting to the 6th inning up to that point and having a no-hitter. And I went out there, and I think I walked the first 3 guys. I had 3 guys on and nobody out. Now I'm worried about even staying in the ball game, let alone worried about a no-hitter. And Greg Luzinski was a hitter. I threw him a forkball. He bounced it right back at me. I threw the ball to home. We got the double play. And then I struck out the next hitter and got out of the inning. And after that, I just kind of realized that I had a chance at it. I remember vividly there was a drunk hanging over the dugout, and he was really ribbing me about not, he was trying to psych me out, saying, "Hey, Morris, you got a no-hitter, you're never going to do it." And I told him to shut up and enjoy it because he's going to see something that he's never seen before. And I went out there in that kind of frame of mind and got the job done.
The no-hitter got the Tigers off and running. They didn't stop running until they won the World Series.
That was just the climax of it all. It was the epitome of our sport, of our occupation. Every kid dreams about, when they play baseball as a little leaguer, they put themselves in that position. 2 outs, bottom of the 9th inning, 3-2 count, and there it goes. Or, pop fly, and somebody's got to win. And you just always envision yourself being on the winning team. And that was our little moment in life where we could just sit back and say, yeah, we did it all, guys.
So every kid's dream came true for Jack Morris, and perhaps with enough effort, it could come true for you.
And no matter what in life you want to do, if you really believe that you can do it and work hard to it, you can do it. I'm just a firm believer, and if you put your mind in doing something, it can be accomplished through a lot of hard work.
Thanks, Jack. For Baseball Talk, I'm Joe Torre.